Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah here. So for today's video I thought that I'd film a get ready with me, and I will be using mainly Lila B products. And I bet that you have already seen their products all over Instagram, YouTube, just everywhere, because the packaging is honestly absolutely stunning. It's really beautiful. It looks like this. So again, you will have already seen these. It just looks like a little stone. I think it's absolutely beautiful, very sleek, definitely has some weight to it, but it's not too heavy. It's just beautiful, feels luxurious, and you just have to slide open the top, and then the product is underneath, which this is the Be Sun-Kissed Bronze Beauty Bronzer. So you then just slide it and it's closed again. But one of their best sellers, I think, also is this one over here, which is their Glow Face Mist. So you know this packaging, you will have already seen this. So let's start getting ready. Okay, you can see that I don't have any makeup on, nothing, like bare face. And my hair is also a little bit like a mess because I'm sick and I just couldn't be bothered, to be honest, to do my hair. So for me it's already very good that I want to do my makeup. So let's start. And I do not have their foundation, face powder, nor their concealer, but I do have like the bronzer, face mist, blush, lip products, and just something for the eyes. I do have that. So let me quickly do my foundation and then I will get back. I just applied my foundation, concealer, and a little bit of powder, and I will of course link those products down below too, just so you can see what I've used. But I now want to go in with the Be Sun-Kissed Bronze Beauty Bronzer by Lila B. It's the bronzer I showed you in the intro. This is how it looks. So in the pan there are two different shades, a little bit of a darker one with a slight shimmer in there, and a more matte, lighter shade. Personally, I just love to swirl around my brush in there and to just apply both shades and just mix it, because for me I think it's the perfect shade. But also, just so you know, the darker shade, the more shimmery one, it's not glittery at all, so you will not be able to like see a real shimmer or glitter on your face, and nothing like that. It just makes it look, in my opinion, a little bit more healthy. And what I personally really like always is when I see these products like with two different shades, I think they are also perfect for the eyes then. So you will have a little bit of a multi-purpose product, so you can bronze your face with maybe also the darker shade. You can also contour your nose, for example, but also you can apply the lighter shade in your crease, and then you can just darken up the outer V with a little bit of the darker brown, and it just ties everything in perfectly, like your bronzer, contour, eyeshadow. It's just beautiful. They apply very well on your eyes, so I love that multi-purpose. So I'll just go in and swirl my brush around, and this is pigmented, so you do not need to apply too much. And I'm using a Real Techniques powder brush over here, and I'll just like to like push down on the side and just bronze up my face. Bronzer is applied, and just so you know, at the moment I'm extremely pale, and it's just like because I am a very pale person, but also because I'm sick and I'm extremely tired, still on antibiotics, so I really do not feel the very best. So I didn't want to apply too much of the bronzer because otherwise you might be able to definitely tell that I applied maybe too much bronzer, so that's why I just stopped. And also, just so you know, there's a window over there, so I am filming with natural lighting, so of course there are more windows around me, but this side gets a little bit more light than this side, so that's why this side of my face might look a little bit darker right now. But personally, like, both sides have the equal amount of bronzer on them. So yeah, I really love this product. I think it's beautiful. Also have a mirror over here. I think it's beautiful, makes me look a little bit more healthy, and also the little bit of a sheen definitely helps. Next product that I want to use is the Be Real Divine Duo Lip and Cheek. So this is a product that you can use on your lips, but also at the same time on your cheeks. And I want to use it on my cheeks today. So what I'll do is I'll take my beauty blender and I'll just swirl it around in here, and I'll just dab it on to the apples of my cheeks. And of course you can also do that with your fingers. Usually I love to apply products all over my face with my finger, but I think like 2 or 3 days ago I very much got into using beauty blenders again. So here I am with my beauty blender. I really love how natural it looks, and even though I just applied a powder product, the bronzer, I think it just looks, it goes so well. So they both just meld into each other and it doesn't look bad or anything like that, so it works very well. Next, I want to go in with the Glisten and Glow Skin Illuminator, and this one is in the lighter shade, which is called Be Enchanting. There are actually 2 different shades. So this one over here, Be Enchanting, the lighter one, and then there's also Be Captivating, which is the darker one. But also you can see there are 2 different pan sizes, so the bigger one and the smaller one. So this one is definitely a lot bigger, but if you think that the smaller one is definitely enough for you, then you can also of course just order the smaller one. But what I want to do with these products is not just highlight the high points of my face, but I want to use both of these on my eyes too, just to show you that you can just use them all over your face. But first I will go in with my beauty blender again. It's very opaque, like, let me show you. Ta-da! It's beautiful. And I'll just dab it on. It's beautiful. It's not too much. It looks so healthy and it looks so good. Very still sun-kissed, and not like, wow, the person applied too much highlighter. It just also melts into all of the other products on your face. And again, I go in onto my brow bones. Super easy to apply with a beauty blender, with a brush, with your fingers. So with these products, you really do not need to own many tools. Here we go, this is the face highlighter with the shade Be Enchanting. I think it's very beautiful, still super natural. You just look very glowy, which I love. Next I want to use the illuminators on my eyes. So I'm just using my finger with this, and I'll just apply the lighter Be Enchanting shade all over my eyelid. And that already makes it a lot brighter. And this is just a little bit more dull, but this side looks more glowing, a little bit more awake. So if I look awake, then that's definitely simply because of makeup, because I am definitely not awake. And now I want to go in with the darker shade Be Captivating, which I just want to apply onto the outer V. And I forgot to mention, these are both cream products, so I just went ahead and like tried to tap the residue off, but like there's no fallout, nothing like that, because again, cream products. And I'll look into my mirror for that. Next, I want to go in with the Glow Face Mist, and I think honestly this is like definitely one of my favorites, or if not my favorite Lila B product. I just really love this one. It just helps to set, to refresh, to hydrate your skin, and I just personally love to apply it before my lipstick, mascara and eyebrow product, but also just throughout the day. I just use it even though I have mascara on, and it never makes my mascara break apart or slide off or something like that. It just helps to refresh everything. You look glowy, you look very healthy, and also I love to apply it even before I apply all of my makeup, and I just love this one. It's beautiful. The mist is perfectly fine. It's not like a harsh mist or something like that. It just also smells beautiful. Somehow to me, I don't know if there's lavender in there, but to me personally it smells like lavender. Very calming. It's just a beautiful product. So I only have it since a very few days, and it used already quite a bit. So let's go in. Oh, it smells beautiful. It's also the perfect amount when you just I love it. Okay, I don't have a mascara, nor do I have eyebrow products by Lila B, but I will use my products now, so by other brands, again, also a link down below. And once I did that, I will get back to you and we will apply my lipstick. Eyebrow products and mascara are applied, and now I want to show you two different lip products. So the first one that I want to apply for you is the Be Cheeky Tinted Lip Balm. It comes in this little stone and it looks like this. It does look very vibrant in the pan, but it is a balm, so when you apply it, it definitely shears a little bit out. So I want to use this one first for you and show you. With this, I'll just go in with my finger, and it just almost melts a little bit. It feels very beautiful. So this is how it looks on the finger, and I just dab it on first. And again, because of the antibiotics, my skin is very dry. Unfortunately, also my lips. So this is how the Be Cheeky Tinted Lip Balm looks on my lips, and I just love the pop of color, but you can definitely see it is more vibrant in the pan, but also I like how hydrating it is. So again, my lips are very dry and this definitely helps. So I really love this shade. I think it's very beautiful, and I personally think you can definitely wear this one all year round. So it's nothing like a shade that you can also just or only wear during the summer or something like that. I think it's very beautiful. But now I'll take this off and want to show this one to you. So this is their Be Remarkable Tinted Lip Oil. So this shade is nothing like, I don't own anything like this, and it's just, for me personally, a little bit more out there, but it's still very wearable, especially now for the fall and winter time. I think this will look beautiful. Let me show you. So this is first the applicator. It's a little bit like a thicker applicator, but it's still super easy to apply the product with it. I really like this. And yes, you can tell I am a huge fan of Lila B products. I'm just so excited to use them. This is how the Be Remarkable Tinted Lip Oil looks on your lips, or on my lips, and I love this so much. I thought in the beginning that it might be a little bit too dark for me, especially because I'm so fair, so pale. Like like usually dark lipsticks look a little bit too much on me, but I personally feel very comfortable wearing this one. I feel good wearing this one, and it's just beautiful on the lips. It feels very good, feels very hydrating, but it's nothing like usually when I think of the name tinted lip oil, I think it's something very oily, very slippery, and not that pigmented, but this one is completely different. Very pigmented, definitely lasts on your lips for a very long time, but the oil in it just helps to hydrate your lips and makes it just very comfortable, not sticky at all. So I am a huge fan of this shade, and I already saw there are, I think, 3 or 4 more shades of this one, and I definitely need to get those too. Makeup is done, and this is how my makeup looks and how my skin looks using all of the Lila B products. And honestly, I feel very comfortable with the whole look. I just feel very good with it. I love the shade of the tinted lip oil, but I definitely want to try out a few more of the lighter shades, and once I have those, I will definitely let you know and just film an updated version just showing you the other shades too. But I also love how glowy my skin looks, how healthy it looks, and by the way, it just really doesn't feel sticky, it doesn't feel oily or greasy, nothing like that. I think it's just all because of these 2 products. Honestly, I think these are my hero products, definitely. I love these. I absolutely love the Glisten and Glow Skin Illuminator in the shade Be Enchanting. I think it's just a beautiful product, perfect to highlight your face, the high points of your face, but also to use on your eyes. I think it's just, again, a beautiful product. And also, of course, you already know the Glow Face Mist, which you can just set your face with, refresh it, it just helps to hydrate it. And all of the products, I think, just melted in with each other perfectly when I used this one, and it's just a beautiful product. So I'm a huge fan, and let me know down below, please, if you have any questions about Lila B. And if you don't have any questions, then just let me know what's your favorite product by Lila B, and have you already tried their products. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that you watch this review and tutorial of all of these Lila B products. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, to give this video a thumbs up, and of course also to hit the notification bell just so you get notified whenever I upload. So again, thank you so much. I really can't thank you enough, to be honest. But yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.